Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about personal color analysis. One of my most favorite topics that I will not shut up about. I have the fever, I have the bug, and I will evangelize until everyone I know knows their season. So today, instead of just talking at you about it, I am going to show you how I used to do my makeup before personal color analysis versus how I do it now. Just to give you a quick overview before we dive right in, my season out of the 12 seasons is called Bright Winter, and my colors are cool neutral in hue, so that means they're mostly blue undertones with a little bit of yellow, a little bit of warmth. They are medium in value, which means that they aren't extremely light or extremely dark. They're kind of in the middle. And they are high in chroma, so the brightest you can get, bright colors. I'm gonna show you why this matters and what the difference is when you are just guessing or wearing things that you think are trendy compared to actually knowing your palette and dressing for the colors that are naturally in your skin, hair, eyes, and your natural makeup. Okay, so before we get started with the makeup, I'm just going to show you some of the colors I used to wear. I would try to wear these really dark or warm toned colors, and you can really see all the blemishes and how much it drags my face down. It's not great. And then this burgundy shade I would wear a lot of. It's not as bad, but you can still see that my blemishes are really showing up. It just looks kind of boring considering what is possible. Then I pull this kind of purple magenta shade up, and look how my features really come into focus. My cheeks are really pink, my eyes are bluer, my skin looks so much smoother. I even look like I might have a little bit of makeup on or lipstick on. It's a good color for me. I like it a lot. Like, I don't even want to take it off. Yeah, get it. All right. So we're gonna do this side of my face, Bright Winter, and the other side, what I used to do with my makeup. I'm gonna start by putting a base on, just a little bit of foundation and concealer just to kind of even out my skin tone. That really didn't change much from before because I just matched it to my skin tone and tried to pick something fair that had a little bit of a olivey undertone. And then I do my eyebrows, which I just matched my hair color. Oh, then we're gonna go in with this warm chocolatey contour shade that I would really cake under those cheekbones like we all did in 2015. Yeah, and then this Bright Winter side, we're just gonna use a little bit of this very cool taupe contour shade, if at all. I really don't use this all the time, but just to define the cheekbones. This is Orgasm by NARS, which was supposed to be like the universal blush shade, but clearly not. And then on the other side, these very hot pink blushes for my Bright Winter look. They look very scary in the pan, but you can see how the pink works quite a bit better. On the top row here are most of the colors that I used to use, these kind of warm oranges and golds. And the bottom is what I would want to stick to today if I was gonna use any colors. My typical eye look back in the day was a gold lid with some like rust brown crease out there, make that V shape. And you can already see how hard it is for me to blend that in. It really doesn't want to go into my skin and look right. I have to work a lot harder to do that. I'll use that rust shade for my lower lash line as well. Bright Winter side, I'm gonna use this kind of pink, icy pink shade all over, mostly cool toned, a little bit of a neutral taupe, and then I'll go over with this kind of slate, cool neutral, blackish gray color in my crease. And then we're gonna highlight the inner corner. Don't put it in your eye, Bridget. And then put some on the brow bone to highlight that. One side and the other side. Wow, I was really feeling myself in this eyeliner, apparently. Then we're gonna use this kind of brick brown shade and then this magenta hot pink on the other side. You can see that. And then we'll finish it off with a gloss because a bright winter look requires candy coatedness, jellyfish-like qualities, and a little bit of highlighter to add some of that dewy shine. So pretty. I'm gonna show you this side of my face. That's how I used to do my makeup, and this is how I do it after personal color analysis. So here on the left, I'm in some of the old colors I used to wear, and I look kind of dull, boring, like I'm hiding, like I don't have a lot to say, and yeah, it just kind of drags me down and makes me look sad. And on the right, it looks more confident, smooth. I look sure of myself, I look put together, I look like I know what I'm doing, and more trustworthy. I don't know about you, but I just find that so fascinating. This is how I used to do my face, I don't know, every day. I probably didn't wear this dark of a lipstick, but I definitely used these colors, lots of browns and golds, and the kind of warm contour and this like very muted blush. And like, it's amazing to see the difference. You can see how it really drags my face down. These shadows are really emphasized. The color kind of just sits on top of my eye there. It doesn't blend very well. It actually makes the white of my eye look even a little bit more yellow. You can see more shadows and blemishes on my face compared to this side. Like even my lips look fuller on this side. And all this shadow is very blended. Like it really doesn't sit on top of my face. My eyes are whiter, they're bluer. See the difference? Everything just kind of looks more like smooth, younger, crazy. I just wanted to show you the difference between the colors too, how much the colors make a difference, because in this black shirt it doesn't do a lot for me. So yeah, this is one of my very bright purple colors, and I think there was a drape that was in this color when I got done. There's that. And then this is a color that I would have worn a lot in my past life. It makes it even worse. It's just very dull, and you can see like my coloring underneath competing with how dark this is. It really drags me down. Even does it with the makeup on. And that takes it to a whole different level. So cool. I'm obsessed with this. Anyway, thank you for watching this video and for joining me in this experiment of my old face versus my new face after personal color analysis. I thought this was really fun. And if you want to see what personal color analysis kind of looks like when you get draped from beginning to end, you can go to the card above my head and visit my brother Tristan's channel with his girlfriend Sam, where they did a time-lapse version of what the process looks like and a little before and after. I hope that you are able to take the time to do this someday and see for yourself what season you fall into. If you've been draped before, let me know in the comments what your experience was like and how it has changed your life. And if you haven't been draped, let me know if you have any questions about personal color analysis and why it is helpful to know your season. Thank you for watching this video. I put out new videos every week-ish, and I'll be back next time with something different. Bye.